Antay ka sana ta. Tuod na gid ni.
Basta,
Ha?
todo na na
Ha?
Totoo dugin
Ano?
Totoo dugin.
Ano? Nasawa mo.
Ano? Na ano rin kami, kahilig lutiro.
We knew each other since bata pa. One time, sabi ng tito ko, you look bored. Punta ka dun kay sa tita mo.
Nagkanto siya sa balay, so tuko siya nakita na
Then we had drinking session and all that.
so nag-start do nagkilalahay na.
And then, nag-start na dahil. Uso pa naman ang text me, di ba? Tapos nag-send siya sa akin sang parang, Jejimon, daan na siya nung roofie. Tapos, can you be my text mate? Parang gano'n. Jejimon, it was 13 years ago. That was 2011.
April 8. Same rin sa wedding day.
And yun, that's our story. Mama, why are you crying? I'm so happy. Why? You're so happy.
Do you take John Francis here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Yes! OMG! Hi! What do you think? Oh my God. Nice. Tuod ginagali ang sayings na God's plans for you are better than any plans you have for yourself.
My heart is full of knowing na sa kadamo-damo siyang babayi, ikaw ang gift ni Lord sa akin. Nay, I'm so grateful for your patience and trust. Bisan malayo kita, isa kag isa, ako gyapon ang napili mga updon.
13 years of long-distance relationship was very hard. Really hard. And no one else quite understands. Wala na may makaintindi, kundi kita lang.
Really excited to see him and medyo anxious lang pero I'm happy. I am really, really happy. I'm gonna see him na. This is it.
Ang aton pagpalanggaan ay nakita gid siyang Ginoo nang nasubaybayan niya, so dapat hindi tagid siya pagkalipatan sa aton pangabuhi. Tinguan ko, kagubrahon ko gid ang tanan-tanan para malipay ikaw sa aton.
This, my husband, is the beginning of forever. You have seen every side of me. Balaan mo kung paano mo ko pakalmahon. And most especially, you keep me smiling. Better yet, nagbalik ka sa akin. You came back to me. I will try my very best to always communicate with you freely, never to hold back, but to be honest and loyal as a wife. I love you and happy anniversary!
Nay, wala na ako may ask pa kay Lord. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You are the answer to my prayer. I love you, Nanay, till infinity and beyond.